One of them got it. You're not gonna call that, dude. I literally shot you in the face. Back up, buddy. Oh my god. Got it. Left Dorito, left Dorito! Hey, left Doritos out, that's kill 2. Might be 1.
I think on the homestead.
Got him! God, dude. Dude, what the fuck? Those ricochets hurt so bad. Yo.
I cannot believe that.
That's a solid tactic right there.
That hurt.
Yo. I'll go snake. So or should I go point? No, there's no point, so there's no point, right? That's my philosophy right there. Hey Ben, if there's no point in playing point.
Go, go, go!
Left Dorito. Left Dorito out? No. Yeah? Clear? Dorito now. He's out. Where? Snake.
Snake's out.
Okay, clear.
Oh, I hit my knee really hard.
Yo.
My knee pad slid and I slammed.
There's no way you hit my gun, right?
Nah.
Okay, I fucking matrixed that bitch.
Right.
Yeah. I was like, oh.
He's out.
No way. So many people. What are you shooting at me for? Ridiculous.
You good?
You just light me up. I'm literally walking back. Hand in the air. Crazy. Oh my gosh, it's like the Matrix. Oh my god! Are you going? Where are you going? You going blue locker, Snake? You could double up on. Wait! What the fuck? Oh, good trade. Good trade. You gonna call any of those? Yeah. Got it.
I'm standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. missile, ready for launch. Repeat, Predator missile, ready for launch. Harriers, waiting for your mark. Repeat, Harriers, waiting for your mark.
Locate him. Oh, good trade, bro. Wait, or not. Good trade. Did I not hit you? Thank you. You're not gonna call that, dude. I literally shot you in the face. That's crazy. You're just gonna stay in? I literally shot you in the face. That's insane. Nice kill. Nice kill. Hi. Ah! I was about to get everyone. Dead man, don't shoot. Dead man.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Hey, you should try this one out. Watch out. No, trade you. Can you? Oh my gosh, yo!
Yeah.
Watch that black pipe though.
Oh. What's up, buddy?
Oh, I got our back, dude. You gotta rack it hard, like a man is.
Like a man?
You know, you're gonna like triple feed it.
Oh. Oh.
I have to get
Back up, buddy.
Back up, buddy.
Okay!
There's people behind you.
This is a perfect game.
Did you hear?
There's a nice street.
Oh. But
Here, I'm just like.
cover me. Nice kill. Nice kill. Really? 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 Sorry, Craig. Sorry, Craig. Green window. Hey, he's at the semi-hood. He's at the semi-hood. Semi-hood. You know how they call that? I didn't feel it, fuck. What do you want this time?
That was crazy.
Dude, it's slick today, huh? What's up? Really? I hit his arm so many times. Oh, he... I don't know why he didn't shoot me sooner.
I'm being sneaky. I'm being a sneaky man. I'm so sneaky. Okay, crawl on the ground. Gotta get down. Gotta get down because the people see me. Then I won't be sneaky.
I'm suppressing fire, guys.
Nice kill, nice kill. Nice kill. Nice kill. I'm knifing you.
Oh my god,
Ah! Who shot me? Did you shoot me? Yeah. Ah, it's all good. It's all good. Oh, fuck me. Of course.
Hey, you okay over there?
What? I've been spotted? I don't know about this. Maybe I should abort the mission. I should abort the mission and go back and maybe try another day.
Are you gonna call any of those, bro? I shot you like 4 times. What is going on?